It's that time of year again where the temperatures start to fall and it's enough to start making enough people sick to get more people sick, but I'm not having it this year because I'm stocked up on my Goli ACV gummies. And if you grew up in the 90s or even before that, you probably had parents, grandparents who swore by the liquid form of it, especially whenever you got sick. And you probably got tired of hearing about it, but you know it works. But this is a much easier way to take it. And if you never tried these before, they taste a lot better than you would expect. I mean, just seeing them on the shelf, I used to cringe seeing so, just because I didn't like the liquid form at all. But I actually finished this whole bottle just about. I just have 2 gummies left in this bottle and I got more on the way. I'll leave the link down below for you to get these. You might be able to get it for less with the right coupons because Goli still has coupons up there, plus any other discount codes you have from TikTok will stack with it. Plus you get the free shipping on these too, so go check these guys out.